Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech. So today I have for you another unboxing, and today we're gonna unbox the Caseology Skyfall case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is the 6.7-inch screen. And currently I have the blue iPhone 12 Pro Max here, as you can see, the Pacific blue. Alright, so I got this case from Amazon, and I was pretty much looking for a nice case to go with this phone. I had a clear case, transparent case on here. As you could see if you check my previous videos, the case I had, the Speaking Ultra Hybrid, the transparent one, that's the one I had on the phone. So I was looking around for something that pops a little bit more. Alright, so I got this, the Caseology Skyfall case, and we're gonna unbox this today and put it on the phone and see what it looks like. And this, as you can see here, is the navy blue. Okay, so before I get into this unboxing here, before we pop this open, please head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. So let's get into this unboxing here. So as you can see, typical box where we get the case in. Let me open this. You can see the branding Caseology on here, and this is the case. Let's open the box, and here we have it. It's in some plastic here. Let's open the case, open the plastic, take it out the plastic, put that aside for now. And this has a little piece of paper in here, regular stuff. Yep, so this has the website and everything on here. Let's put that aside. And it does have some protective film on the inside and on the outside. And this blue, let's see how it matches up with the blue on the iPhone. So it's a little different, but the blue on this case is very beautiful, guys. Look at this. It's a little metallic, and when you look at it, it's not like typical TPU edge right here. As you can see, nice flat blue. Look at the edges. So the bottom is all transparent. This blue doesn't come all the way around here. As you can see, got the Caseology branding here on the side right here. You got the cutout for your volume up, volume down, and your vibrate switch here, the silent switch, on and off switch cutout right here. And the volume rockers here, as you can see, they're not blue, they're transparent. So the blue from the edge of the iPhone is gonna pop through, as well as the power button as well. That's also transparent. So the 12 Pro Max, we're gonna go ahead and put it in this case, see what it looks like. So let me go ahead and remove this film from the inside. And it does have an installation guide right here. So normally you'd remove this bumper, but I'm gonna try and see if I could get this on the phone without removing the bumper. So rip that out, put it aside. We also have one here on the back. Let's rip that off. Alright. So really nice and transparent, as you can see my hand through here. Really clear and nice. And it does have a little lip here on the back. Turn this sideways so you can see this little lip here to protect the cameras when you put the phone down on the back, and some lip here and the front as well. So if you put it face down, then your phone is protected. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap this in the case. Okay. There we go. Turn my flashlight on, and it's very nice and snug. Look at this. As you can see right here, this is raised slightly above the screen. So if I put my phone face down, it's sitting on the case. If I turn it up this way, put it on the back, it's protected because it has a little height here on the cameras as well. As you can see, as I said before, protects it really well. Look at this, everyone. This is really nice. Nice blue case to go with the Pacific blue iPhone. If you have one, this I would definitely recommend this case. Really nice, makes your phone pop. So on the side, as I said before, as you can see, before I install this on the 12 Pro Max, these buttons were transparent. You can you can see a little blue, you can see the blue popping through here from the phone, and the volume rocker right here, as you can see. And this is the back. So the blue, surprisingly, on the case matches this on the cameras right here on the back, the camera cutout. It's not as far off, and the color on the phone, the plastic, does make it look a little bluer when it's on the phone, more dark blue than when the phone doesn't have a case on. So looks really nice. And this is the edges, what the edges would look like. Still nice and square, has the square design like the iPhone. And the bottom here is transparent, as you can see, covers all your ports. And it does have the little cutout to expose the speakers and your charging port. Alright, so this is a nice case if you're in the market looking for a case for your iPhone 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max. This, the Caseology Skyfall case, is definitely one to consider if you're on the market for that. Alright, so this is how it looks, guys, on the blue phone. So hopefully this helps you out if you're trying to get this case, or if you're thinking about getting one. This is what it looks like. So definitely go ahead and get it if you have it in mind. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on this channel. And thank you for watching again. Peace.